If you are looking for quality wireless earbuds without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 budget-friendly true wireless earbuds available on Amazon right now, all under $40. We've tested these picks for sound quality, battery life, comfort, and features to bring you the absolute best value options. Whether you need workout companions, daily drivers, or just an affordable way to enjoy your music, one of these will be perfect for you. Let's jump into the video. Coming in at just $13, the Tozo A1 wireless earbuds are a budget game changer. These ultra-lightweight earbuds weigh only 3.7 grams each, lighter than a sheet of paper. Their ergonomic design fits snugly in small ears, making them perfect for workouts, running, or all-day wear without discomfort. Now let's talk sound. The 6mm bass-enhanced drivers deliver crisp highs and punchy lows, rivaling earbuds twice the price. And with 7 hours of playtime on a single charge, the compact charging case adds 32 extra hours. That's 480 songs without recharging. For under $15, the Tozo A1s are a no-brainer steal. Want the link? Check the description. Taking our number 2 spot, the Anker Soundcore P20i True Wireless Earbuds for just $19. These bad boys pack oversized 10mm drivers that deliver bass so powerful, you'll feel it in your bones. But here's the kicker. Use the Soundcore app to customize your sound with 22 EQ presets. Lose an earbud? The Find My Earbud feature makes it beep until you find it. We're talking 10 hours of playtime, extendable to 30 hours with the case. And get this, just 10 minutes of charging gives you 2 hours of playback. The ultra-compact case even comes with a handy lanyard. AI-enhanced dual mics ensure crystal clear calls, so you'll never have to shout again. All this for under $20? That's not just a deal. That's a steal. Link in description. Tap that like button if you're impressed by these specs. Coming in hot at just $9, the Curdine wireless earbuds. These budget beasts pack 8mm drivers that deliver surprisingly deep bass, perfect for gym sessions or jamming to your playlist. At Featherlight 3.7G, they disappear in your ears with a secure, comfy fit that won't budge during workouts. With Bluetooth 5.3, pairing is instant. Just open the case and go. The AI-enhanced mics keep calls crystal clear, and you get 24/7 customer support backing your purchase. All this for under $10? That's not just affordable. That's ridiculous value. Link below. Smash like if you'd rock these. At number 4, we have the Tagri X08 True Wireless Earbuds for just $25. These pack premium features at a budget price. First, battery life. You get 6 hours per charge, plus an additional 54 hours from the case, totaling 60 hours of playback. The charging case shows precise battery levels with dual LED displays and supports both wireless and USB-C charging. For fitness users, these have an IPX5 waterproof rating to handle sweat and rain. The ergonomic design comes with 3 ear tip sizes to ensure a secure, comfortable fit for all ear types. Audio quality stands out with 13mm drivers featuring triple-layer diaphragms that deliver powerful bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. You can use them in twin stereo mode or share one earbud in mono mode. A smart Hall switch means they automatically reconnect when you open the case. At just $25 with these features, the Tagri X08s offer tremendous value for money. Check the link in description for the best price. Let me know in comments if you've tried these earbuds. Wrapping up our list at number 5, the JBL Vibe Beam True Wireless Earbuds for $39. These earbuds deliver signature JBL sound with 8mm drivers that pump out deep, powerful bass in a compact package. The ergonomic stick-style design fits securely while remaining so comfortable you might forget you're wearing them. You get 8 hours of playback from the earbuds themselves, plus an additional 24 hours from the charging case, totaling 32 hours of battery life. When you're in a pinch, just 10 minutes of quick charging gives you 2 extra hours of playtime. For calls, the voice-aware feature lets you control how much of your own voice you hear during conversations. The IP54 rating means these earbuds can handle sweat, dust, and light rain, making them great for workouts or outdoor use. At $39, the JBL Vibe Beam offers premium brand quality at an affordable price point. If you want reliable JBL sound without breaking the bank, these are a solid choice. Check the link below for current pricing. Let us know in the comments if you've tried these JBL earbuds.